someone do that, or do we want to just have the same person do it every time?
I can do it every time. No, I don't have a problem with that. I just figured it out, so I have no problem doing that.
Okay.
Okie dokie, guys. So what are some questions you guys had from lesson 2?
I'm good with the lesson 2.
Yeah, I'm good with lesson 2. Lesson 2 wasn't that hard. Lesson 3 is what drove me crazy.
I'm good with lesson.
Yeah. How about you, Seth?
I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, with lesson 2, it was pretty simple. Have you guys taken the tests already? The individual quizzes?
The homework
lesson
quiz,
4
yeah.
I did. I haven't done lesson 3 yet, though.
Okay, yeah, I took the quiz for lesson 2, and I was just, I mean, a lot of the things just reading carefully. It's not too complicated.
Yeah,
so I think
right. I agreed.
Okay,
Right.
so let's go to. Let's see here. Oh, whoops! Signed into the wrong class. Okay. Okay.
Chester, no.
Come on, Chester.
All right.
Tear it up. Chester. Hey, my dog ate my homework.
That's right. All right. Okay, content. Okay, quiz. Are we all ready to? I think we all have a pretty good grasp on quiz 2. Are we ready just to go through the second quiz?
Yeah.
All righty. Here goes nothing, guys. Woohoo! All right, week 2. Crap. Where am I? Man, it's hard on one screen. Week 2 group meeting, individual preparation. Okay, group 2 quiz. I have my finger on the start button when you guys do.
Hey, give me just a sec. My internet's going a bit slow.
Alrighty, let us know.
All right, I'm good to go. I'm on my phone and my laptop, so.
How many attempts do we have?
I think it's just the one.
Oh, we got 2. We got 2. So if we fail this one, we got another shot. Okay. Alrighty, we all ready?
Yep.
I'm ready.
Alrighty. I clicked. We'll just go ahead and start. Let us know when you guys are ready to go over the first question. How many questions?
I'm good. First question is, we completed the preparation assignment before attending a group meeting. True or false?
Oh, I did.
I did.
Okay. I actively participated in this group's meeting.
We're here.
True. Yeah. Hey. While you are required to work together on this quiz, each group. Okay. Here's the quiz part. Researchers would like to determine if reviewing material consistently within
an hour.
Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, I was reading out loud. So I'll read out loud to everybody. So researchers would like to determine if reviewing material consistently within an hour of after class helps students perform better on exams than if students wait to review material the day before the exam. To answer this question, the researchers are trying to determine if an observational study or an experiment would be more appropriate. They are discussing who the population would be and how they will determine which sampling method best represents the population. Which of the 5 steps of the statistical process are the researchers currently applying? Okay, let's see here. Looks like they're doing a design and study.
Design to study, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All agreements?
Design to study is our agreement.
There we go. First one down. Hey, there you go. Okay, question 4. A researcher has collected the results of the survey where the participants were asked on how many TV hours they watched a day. The researcher tallies the frequencies of each category and computes mean number of watched hours. She then creates a histogram to illustrate the overall distribution. Which of the 5 steps of the statistical processes did the researcher apply? Okay.
Describe the data.
describe the data. Agreed?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, next. Mumbai, India is a quickly growing city of importance in its own country as well as in the global economy. A marketing research firm has been asked by a prominent fast food restaurant to help determine if the citizens of Mumbai would support this fast food business. From a list of all the registered taxpayers, 3,000 names are randomly selected. Each individual on the list is mailed a brief questionnaire. These researchers receive 104 responses. The population is
The city of Mumbai.
population is the city of Mumbai. Yep.
It's in Mumbai, yeah.
Okay. Plowing through this. Good job, guys. Okay, Mumbai, India is a quickly growing city, as well as importance in its own country, as well as a global economy. A marketing research firm has been asked by a prominent fast food restaurant to help determine if the city of Mumbai's fast food business. Same thing as last one. The researchers. Okay, what is the sample? The same question as last time, but what is the sample?
1049.
1049.
Mm-hmm.
That's why they got a response,
Yep.
because it's the sample of the population.
Yep. Okay, how many questions are there? Okay, there is 15 questions. Okay. Let's go back to where are we? 7. Okay, question 7. Studies have shown that retention of classroom materials can drop as low as 58% within 15 minutes of class and 44. Sorry, let me start over. Studies have shown that retention of classroom materials can drop as low as 58% within 15 minutes of class and within 44% after the first hour of class. This forgetting curve continues so that within 6 days, only 25% is remembered. How can students conquer this forgetting curve? The researchers in this study claim that the constant review is important. Suppose your teacher wanted to test this and invite you to participate in a study where you were asked to review specific materials 15 minutes after class for 10 minutes. After an hour of class and for 10 minutes, and then again 2 days after class for 10 minutes, your teacher then gives you a short 10 question quiz where your score out of 10 is recorded. What of the following data is your teacher collecting? Okay.
Quantitative.
Quantitative. I agree.
Yes, quantitative because he's collecting numbers.
Mm-hmm. He's collecting numbers and he's able to compare it against prior test scores. So I think those are the two issues there. Okay. It looks like same question. A little different. After the 6th day, your teacher asks if you feel confident that you have retained at least 50% of the data material. He then records your responses as yes or no. Not sure. What type of data is he collecting? This one is categorical.
This is categorical, yeah, because of the answer.
Because all the answers are categorized.
It's descriptive,
yes, no, yeah. Okay, studies have, okay, same question. Your teacher also selects a group to give no review to the material over the next 6 days. This group is called the control group.
The control group.
Okay. Okay. All in favor, all opposed? All in favor?
Control group.
Okay, good. All right, let's move on. Which of the following would be considered an experimental design? Okay.
B.
Administering cerebral investing to one group and giving a placebo to another. All right, let's just go through all the other ones. I agree. A telephone poll asking whether people know, not that one. A census and I agree. All in favor of B?
Yep.
Okie doke.
Because that's
Well-
part of the experiment. You test one and give the other placebo,
There's got to be a control, and there's got to be
a test. Yeah.
yeah, there you go. All right, in a study to determine the average wage of a working people in Mumbai, which of the following would be the best sample? Every 10th worker that you meet as you travel the streets of Mumbai, all the workers in one working district, not that one. A randomly selected worker in each several working districts of Mumbai. I think it's that one.
I would say that one.
D?
Yeah,
Is the
I'll
other
say
one-
that one because you pick a sample from each group from different parts of the city.
Yeah, it's not, and because if it was in one spot, it would be kind of biased just towards that district. But
Yeah,
I'm talking about the
especially
whole city.
Traveling in the streets, not in all the districts, so you don't know
Yeah.
if that street's gonna hit.
I agree. Alrighty.
It would be
Question
better
number.
Everybody from every district, but that wouldn't happen.
You got to speak up, man. I can't hear
What?
you very well.
So it would be
I
better
can hear you.
for all the workers of Mumbai, not just the district, and not just random people. That's not an option.
So
No, but if you read question B, it says all the workers working in one district. So
Yeah,
yeah, that limits it to one location only, and he
Yeah,
wants the
I
whole
agree.
city.
that's why I agree. It's many random selected workers in each.
oh, okay,
several-
he's in agreement.
It would be better if it was all the workers, obviously, of all the districts.
Oh, okay, the language, yeah, the verbiage.
Yeah, I agree. Alrighty. Question 12. You want to become the next Jonas Salk? I don't know who that is. Oh, okay, and produce a vaccine that will help cure children with respiratory syncytial virus. Syncytial
That's okay, go ahead.
Okay.
RSV.
RSV. You want to help cure the children of RSV. You test the vaccine and compare it to a placebo and randomly choose one group of children to take the vaccine and one group of children to take the placebo. What or who are the experimental units or the subjects? The children.
The children.
Same question, what are the treatments? Treatments are the
Vaccine.
vaccine and
Vaccine and
placebo.
placebo, yeah.
Okay, I got this one on the regular test. I put children again. So, okay,
So placebo for the treatment.
huh?
The treatments are the vaccine and placebo, right? Is that,
Yes.
It's kind of hard whenever.
Yeah. D? Yeah, sorry. Just raise our hands. Okay, so but do you agree with number 13?
13?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right, number 14. In 1992, the U.S. government supported a study that was run for 15 years where 4,608 low-income families were given a chance to move to a less impoverished area. They distributed vouchers and provided various support systems. The researchers wanted to determine if getting people out of poor neighborhoods would reduce the poverty level in the United States. Oh, is this long? This looks like a long one. It is. Okay. The low-income families were randomly assigned to one of the following three groups. MTO, a low poverty voucher, the LVP group, which received Section 8 certificates or vouchers using only in low poverty areas less than 10% of the population below the poverty line in 1990, along with counseling and assistance in finding private unit to lease. The traditional voucher group, which received a regular Section 8 certificates or vouchers, geographically unrestricted, and orderly briefings and assistance from the PHA, the local housing authorities, local public housing authorities. And the control group, which received no certificates or vouchers but remained eligible for public or project-based housing and other social programs to which the families would otherwise have been entitled. This study is
An experiment. It
Let's
was
see
an
here.
experiment.
Let's see.
It's an experiment because they given 3 separate different vouchers. There's 2 vouchers and 1 control group. Third one is a control group.
But they're kind of just watching him to see what will happen, right?
That's what I'm thinking. Because it is
Because at first
observation.
it's a big experiment, but then when you look at it, like they're not trying to influence it in any way, which is kind of what an experiment does. And this
Well,
one's
they
just
are
trying to watch and see
influencing
what
it
will
by
happen.
giving some people one thing and some people the other. I'm trying to think of what were some of the criteria of that
Well,
deemed something an experiment.
the second paragraph, excuse me, but the second paragraph says the researchers wanted to determine if getting people out of poor neighborhoods would reduce the poverty level. So that sounds like they're experimenting.
I agree. With
It's
that
so
level?
because it says the low-income families were randomly assigned to one of the following 3 categories. They're not just observing these 3 separate ones.
Yeah, they're experimenting.
Okay.
So it is.
I think, I'm on the fence on this one. I'll trust you guys. You guys seem confident. All right.
I just think experiment first, but then it doesn't look like they're trying to manipulate the outcome. They just want to see what will happen. But
Okay.
We'll
yeah,
see.
and we'll see. Well, hopefully we get that one right. Well, and we have 2 shots at it, so we'll.
The reason why it's not
If we get that one right, we'll know.
is because, yes, they're observing the outcome, but when it's observational, they don't choose their category. They've been pushed into these 3 categories. So the sounds of it,
Yeah, and one of them is a control group.
yes, it's a control.
Yeah. I think you guys are right.
We'll see.
Okay. Match the following. Oh, crap.
Okay, step 1 is collect the data.
Oh, oops. Step 1,
No.
collect the data.
no, step 1 is not collect the data. That's step 2.
No,
Step
step 1
one
is
is-
design the study.
Yeah, design the
Oh,
study.
you're
Design the study. I'm sorry about that. Jumped the gun.
Yeah, that's what teamwork is for. All right. Step 2 is collect data, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, then
All
you
right,
can
step-
discern more truth.
All righty. Step 3 is design or is
Describe.
collect data.
Yeah.
Step 3 is collect data.
Hold on, I have it here.
It's described.
It's
Step
design.
one.
Step 1 is design,
Uh-huh.
and then step 2 is
collect.
collect the data. Step 3 is describe the data.
Then make inferences.
And then, make inference and then take action.
Hold on. Okay, so step 1 is collect data, or sorry, step 2 is describe. Man, I'm on one there.
Design the study. So
Okay.
when it says so the first one's step 3, which is describe the data.
The very first one. They have them mixed up.
Okay, it's really confusing me how they have it mixed up.
Yep.
So step 1 of, let's just talk about it not looking at the test. So step 1 is to design a study, correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Number 3.
Step 2 is to collect data, correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. And step 3 is to describe the data, which is number 4, correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, and step 4 is to take action. And
No.
step 5 is to
No.
step 5 is,
Step 5.
Make
Step
inferences.
4 is make inference.
step 4 is make inferences. Okay. And step 5 is to take action.
Yeah.
Correct.
So it should go
Okay.
4, 3, 5, 2, 1.
That's
Right?
fine.
Well, no, it depends on each exam. Probably it stacks up differently.
Okay, because mine says 4. All right, I just got to write it down because this computer, it's so confusing me out. What's that?
Yeah, mine comes out to be 14325.
Okay.
Okay, let's just make sure we all have it right. So, step one, collect.
It is
Design.
design,
Oh, it's
study.
design. Step 1, design. Step 2, collect.
Mm-hmm.
Step 3 is describe.
Mm-hmm.
Step 4 is to
Make an inference.
make inferences. And step 5
step
is take action. All right, yeah, all of this are a little bit different, so let's just make sure we all have it right. So.
Yep, we're good.
I did it.
I'm good.
1.
Submitting.
Describe.
Well, I think he does have.
Okay, first one is good. Second one is good. Third one is good. Fourth is good. Fifth
I'm
is
good.
good. Six is good. Seven's good. 8 good. 9 good. 10 is
We're
good.
good.
11, 12, 13,
What was the
14,
experiment?
15. They're all good. All right, move on to number 3. We got 100%, guys.
Let's see. Hey, good work. 100%. That's what I'm talking about.
High five.
All right. Okie doke. So are you guys ready just to hop into section 3?
I'm good with that.
Sure.
Okie doke. Let's do it. I'd rather just rip the Band-Aid off Monday night and then we can relax the rest of the week. Alrighty. So.
I'll remember that.
But yeah, it was not too difficult. A lot of it was just, you know, kind of plugging things into the spreadsheet. So let's take a look here. All right. All right, lesson 3. Oh, wrong lesson. Man, I'm gonna have to have 2 computers open. This is so difficult.
Yeah.
All right, group meeting. So let's discuss your question. So you were trying to figure out how to, on that one spreadsheet thing, how to get to A through E, right?
Yeah, question A.
Yeah, I couldn't find where it said the stock companies. Yeah, I've tried to find. I pressed in stock. I pressed in.
So let me go back to that assignment because I remember I did find it. I just can't remember how. So give me 1 sec. Okay, preparation assignment, lesson 3, online textbook. That's not where it is. It's on the homework, right?
It's homework, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
But on the homework for like the group stuff, not the homework for like individual, I think.
Oh, is it the preparation? Was it the preparation assignment?
Yeah, it's the preparation stuff is where it's at.
Okay. Preparation. Individual preparation. Okay, here it is. Okay. So we have to click. Oh man, computers, man, driving me nuts. Okay. All right. Which question was it? Do Do you know?
It's question number 6.
Okay. Oops. Okay. Sorry, it's my computer's thinking. All right, question 6. Okay, here we go. Let me click on that. Huh. I can't remember how I found it now. I definitely did. I just do not remember how.
You got to go to the class assignments, and on a drop down where the documents are. That's where you find the spreadsheet. So you got to go to the
Like where the calculator spreadsheet, is that what you're talking about?
no, where the class the main stuff is, and then over there you find the data files.
Not sure.
You got to go to the book, to the digital book, and where it says data files, and then you got to look for the Mastery Investments Opportunity file.
That's what it was. That's what it was.
You know what I'm talking about? You got to go to the electronic book, then data files, and then there's a list of all the files that we use. That's where it's at.
Yep, right there. It's Mystery Investment Opportunities. That's
right, that's where the data is, right.
Okay.
All right, that's what it was. I just couldn't
right
remember.
underneath Mystery Investment Opportunities.
Yeah, I didn't think about that either. But I did. I just couldn't remember how I found it, but now I remember. Alrighty. So yeah, I think, do you have the gist of how to do that? Like you just kind of copy and paste it over onto the thing, and then
I did it with the other assignment, like for the actual legit homework. But I just couldn't find, when I got to that question, I was like, well, can't answer any of those because.
Yeah.
Okay,
I mean,
so
it wasn't difficult.
Well, when you get to the spreadsheet, the quantitative spreadsheet, the center box, the numerical descriptive statistics, that's where you find your standard deviations and data.
Yep. Yep.
No.
Absolutely. Okay. Well, does anybody have any questions going into that they need to square away before feeling comfortable to taking the quiz?
No.
I'm good.
All right, I'm just gonna pull up my Excel spreadsheet real quick, the one with the calculator thing. So just give me one moment.
Okay.
Ooh, wrong one. Sorry, guys. Bear with me. Apologize. We found the spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet was in the online textbook, correct? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Under data files.
Mm-hmm. Here it is. And which file was it? Was it file quantitative description or quantitative inferences? Description?
Description, yeah. Okay, while you at the data file, you might want to go ahead and open the wrong. One of the questions from the exam is going to be on the wrong doctor, wrong
patient. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That was in the textbook, right?
Yes, it's also in the textbook. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think I'm ready to go. All right, I'm ready to start when you guys are.
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. I completed the individual preparation assignment before attending this group meeting. True.
You bet.
I actively participated in this week's group meeting. True. And then it says, while you are required to work together on this quiz, each member of the group must submit his or her own answers in order to receive credit. You will need the lawsuit stuff. When calculating anything, please remember to round to the nearest third decimal place unless otherwise specified. Do not round until your calculation is complete.
All right.
Use the following information to answer the next 3 questions. On rare occasions, medical procedures performed. So it's basically the regular procedure that, you know, mistakes happen and they're trying to fix it, but they're not really doing anything. They can't really fix it. So question 3, find the mean about hospital had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole number.
Wrong site lawsuits. Okay. Let's all do it and see what we come out to. Scrolling down for a long copy paste.
I'm so glad we have that option because I was going through the homework and I was like, he can't really expect us to add all those numbers, can he? And then I remembered how to do that.
Yeah, it would be tough. Because I mean, I know I have like applications on my on my calculator that can do that, but that would have been okay. And it was asking for the mean. Is that what it was?
Yeah, the mean.
Okay.
I don't want to open.
I got 8,041. Or sorry, 80,041. Is that what y'all got?
Waiting for my Excel to open.
Well, I'm just trying to get my Excel tool.
What did you get for me?
I got 80,041.
All right,
So
agreed. 80,041 agreed.
80041.
80041.24331.
All right.
Yeah, so in next, I don't know what you guys are using, but yeah, Excel, you gotta do average. You can't do a mean.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. All righty.
Well, mine.
What's up?
So the answer is 80041 for number 3.
I'm just checking mine.
Take your time.
Crap. Computer's like freezing me.
So you, how do you everything's not working. I just highlighted it.
So what you do is you just drag it over to kind of the calculator spreadsheet, and it should kind of populate all the answers.
Where did you grab your calculator spreadsheet?
What?
I'm not.
Technology hates me today.
And that's the quantitative descriptive statistic.
Yep. You're just gonna copy, paste it all onto that left-hand corner, left-hand side of the document.
Is anybody else getting an error?
For what?
For the data set?
84001, right?
80041.
Okay. Maybe it won't let you move on.
I'm doing all right over here.
Did any of you put like the money sign or like zeros or? Oh, never mind. It's the next question. You're good. Like, why is it giving me an error?
Okay. Next question is the median, which I have 68552.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Why is this thing such a...
Now, which data set are you using? Is the dollar amounts, not the wrong site, but the wrong patient, right? That's the dollars?
Yep, I'm using wrong site.
Wrong site or wrong patient?
Right now it's wrong site.
It says wrong site on the thing.
You want to?
On the homework is when you'll do the wrong patient.
Okay.
So all right, for question number 4, did you guys get 68552?
Wait,
68552 for the medium.
All right, number 4, 68552.
Yep.
Okay, find the standard deviation of the amount paid in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer. So it's same spreadsheet, wrong site. Okay, let's see here. Standard deviation is 714.04.
Well, for number 3, did you guys already do points?
Seth, we can't hear you very well. You keep cutting in and out. What were you saying?
Did you guys I'm sorry, but to go back to number 3,
Yeah.
I as well got the 80041, but did you guys put down .243?
No, it says round to the nearest whole dollar.
Whole number, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so number 5. Looking at number 5. Oh, wrong one. I have 714.04.
03.
Yeah, but
well, okay,
don't
yeah,
we round
the
nearest dollar, right?
404, right?
What?
71404. Okay.
71.
What question are we on? Sorry.
Number
5.
And what did we get? Sorry. I've been trying to hold the Excel point, and I'm like struggling.
No, you're fine. Is that what you got? The 71404?
Yes.
Okay. Moving right along. Okay. Heptic agno something is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represents their survival times in months. Okay. What is the survival time? What is the mean of the survival time? All right. We could just do this on a calculator if you want. I think we're just do it. I think I'll just do so 51913.
Seven.
28.
5
Divided by
19.
7.
Yep, 7.
Mean of 7. Agreed. Agreed. All right. Okay, 7 it is. Moving to question number 7. What is the median?
So
Okay,
we got
median.
1, 3, 5. We got
The median is 3.5.
No.
no.
Yeah. No.
Median's the one in the middle.
No,
You've got 19 and 5. The medium is 12.
But it's 1, 3, and 5. So it's actually 4. Median's 4.
1.
No.
You got 1, 3, 5, and 19.
It's 12.
No. So you look at so let's look at the 4 numbers. We have 1. We have 3. We have 5 and 19.
Yes.
You take
Right. So you got to array them in order.
Find out
1,
what's
3,
in the middle
5,
between
19.
5 and 19.
no. It's
And that's
between
12.
It's between
3
3 and 5.
3 and 5 because those are the
3
two
and
middle
5.
numbers.
So it's going to be 4.
Yeah.
4.
I just plugging it into the spreadsheet is what it gives me.
Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right.
Okay.
Sorry, I looked at that.
4.
Yeah, it's 4.
Okay. Moving on to question number 8. All right. Give a number that would be entered for label A. For answer above. Okay. Number A. That was the mean minus, or so x minus the mean. So for A, it would be 12. Agreed?
Yeah.
Okay. How about everyone else? Everyone agree?
Yep.
Yes.
9 - 7.
Okay. So, and then it's gonna ask us B. So let's think about B. So it's 1 minus 7, so -6. -6 squared is 36. We all agree?
Wait.
Yep.
So it's 7 minus 1 is 6.
So it's actually 1 minus 7. So 1 minus 7 is -6, but -6 squared still comes out to 36. We all good on that one?
Yes.
What's 9?
36.
Okay. Question number 10. What is the standard deviation of the survival times? Give your answer to the nearest. Give your answer in months rounded to the nearest 10. Okay. Standard deviation is 8.
Did you just put that in the thing?
Yeah, I put it in there. How about you guys all do it to check my math? But so round it to the nearest 10th. So let's round that to 10.
8.2.
8.2. Yep.
And just to clarify, question 9 was 36.
Yes.
Yes.
That's what we got.
So that's 7 minus 1 times, or to the squared. So it's 6 squared.
So it's actually 1 minus 7. So -6, then -6 squared, which is 36.
Okay.
All right. What was the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrongful suit patient? Or the wrong patient lawsuit? First number in the number summary. So that's the 25th percent quartile. So let's think.
So the first one, smallest number. So what's the smallest number?
So, oh yes, the smallest number, the minimum. It's 1. No, actually, no, I'm looking at the wrong one. Dang it. Let me see if I can still copy and paste it over.
It'd be 0 because there's lawsuits that only got
It's
0.
0, yeah. It's zeros, all zeros, up through when you get to the 13th percentile. 12th percentile. 0.
Okay, but we gotta be aware because this one is the wrong patient. This one is not the wrong site.
Oh, wrong spreadsheet.
But it's still 0.
Yeah, so we got. Yeah, it probably is, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a moment here just to transfer all the data from the wrong patient.
What is the first number?
The lowest.
It's still 0.
Yeah, I assumed it would be. All right, let me just plug it in real quick, guys.
Closest is the 10th percentile, which is 162.
So minimum is 0. First number is girl number 0. Okay. 11-0. Good to move on?
Yep.
Okay. What? Oh, computer's going freaking out on me. Okay. What is the second number in the 5-number summary for wrong patient lawsuit? So I think what that number is, it's, oh man, what is it? It's the median of.
No, that's so there's 5 points. The third one is the median.
I don't know. It's the median between. It's the median between 0.1 and 0.3, correct?
Yeah. So whatever the middle is, and then the median of.
Wait, where is the 5-number summary?
So that's not something that's always plug and chug. Because there is a warning on the thing saying it does not always work for quarter 1, quarter 2. But right here on my thing, it's saying 3,009 or 3,900.
On the 17th percentile?
No, and the 25th. So it's the quarter one. So you guys, so what are you guys thinking for 12? My the spreadsheet says 3,900.
We're using the wrong patient data, not the wrong site.
Yes, wrong patient.
So is that the 25th percentile?
Yeah, the first quarter, quarter one.
Well, mine's 11,793.
Okay. You're using. Let me double.
The wrong patient.
Wrong patient.
You just plugged all that into the blue field and.
And you're and it shows the 25th percentile is 39. Is not 3,900 for you.
No, mine's 11,793.
Huh. All right, let me try to replug it in. I'm not sure why it's going on.
What do you other people got? Michaela?
I'm trying to make a graph of the plot to try and see.
Grabbing from wrong patient, and I'm getting as well the 3,900 in the 25th percentile.
On the 25th percentile?
Yeah, you can look at quarter one or.
What?
Yeah, you can look at a couple places. You can either look at quarter one and the numerical descriptive statistics, or you can look at the percentiles. You get the same answer.
Okay, I don't see that.
And you're using the spreadsheet, the quantitative descriptive statistics spreadsheet, right?
First one, yeah. And just copy the data and plug right into that blue field.
Uh-huh.
Right? Yeah. What's the majority of people got? I'll go with the majority.
I got 3,900.
3,900 is the 25th percentile.
Michaela?
Sure.
All right, 3,900 is.
Program are you guys plugging things into? I mean, I have the spreadsheet up, but what are you?
The spreadsheet that was provided.
Is it in resources?
No, it's on the book, the ebook. And it's also where did I find it at? I found mine from lesson 3.
Yeah.
I have the Excel spreadsheet that has the information, but I don't understand what you guys say when you're plugging it in.
Oh, the data comes from the data file.
Yeah, no, I've got that, but what are you plugging it into? That's what I don't understand.
Well, we're plugging it into column A on the spreadsheet.
The blue field.
Okay, but what spreadsheet? Like, I don't understand.
The quantitative descriptive statistics.
You know that the calculator spreadsheet.
Yeah, I must have missed that. Where's that at?
Oh man, it would have been a hard homework assignment without it. So it's just
I did everything by hand.
Oh, so you added everything up and divided by all those numbers?
It lets you pull and add that way, and I figured it out. I had to. I mean, it was probably a lot harder than just plugging them in, but.
Oh yeah, you gotta. So I'll send you a copy of it after this thing, but there's a link to it in lesson 3.
I just sent a link in the chat, in our group chat just now.
Okay, yeah, take a look at that.
I'll have to look at it afterwards because I'm like, where are you guys plugging this in? Okay, anyways, what was number 12? What did we get?
Hold on, give me 1 sec. I think we're at
3,900.
So
let me just check one. Let me just double check one thing, guys, real quick.
That's what you need to use.
So I'm like, how are you guys getting these numbers so fast? I'm like over here with my pen and pencil and a calculator. Oh, man.
Well, okay, so I'm not 100% sure on this quarter one though. It's kind of because I know the system, or on the lesson they said the quarter one, the quarter two, and the quarter three, or the quarter one, the median, and quarter three is not going to be the same as what it has on the Excel spreadsheet. So I'm trying to remember how to do that.
Well, no, that's the SPSS program that is different from Excel.
Okay. Well, because if I was just doing a simple one, so I just took 4 numbers. I took 2, 5, 6, and 20, and I did the quarter 2 on my own, and and it's not the same as what it's here. So I'm trying to think. Actually, hold on one sec. Let me double check one thing.
How did you get yours set? We can go ahead and go with 39%, 3,900, and
yeah,
if it's wrong, we'll
I'm just
double checking.
I'm just double checking something real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, I just don't know about 3,900, but we'll just go with it because I don't know how else to do it.
Second number in the 5 summary for the wrong.
So 4th number, man, I just don't know. Because I know the 4th number here is quadrant 3, or quarter 3, which is 9.5. Oh, no, it's not. I'm looking at the wrong data. I'm having some issues here. Give me one moment. We're still on patient, right? Wrong patient?
Wrong patient.
Yeah.
And did you find that link I posted in the chat?
Let me see.
What the heck? The computer's not letting me copy paste.
In what chat? Which one?
The conversation we're having now.
Oh, there it is.
Top left is this chat. At 7:07, I posted it.
There we go. Thank you.
No problem.
Because I was like, how are you guys just plugging things in?
Yeah, Michaela, you might want to go back and look. There are 3 different spreadsheets.
Okay.
Okay. Here.
What is up with my computer today? Is it in lesson 3? Is that what you said these spreadsheets were, or are they in resources?
So lesson 3. So if you go to lesson 3, individual preparation. Click on read lesson 03 in online textbook. Let me know when you're there.
Hold on, I don't want to exit out of the quiz again. I'm on the online textbook.
Okay. Then type in, do Control F for find.
Right.
Type in quantitative, descriptive, all in one context.
Okay, sorry, my computer went through a little. Just trying to figure.
Yeah, just type in QUANTITATIVE descriptive statistics.xls. It should be there. It says copy and paste the described data into column A of the spreadsheet. And then it gives you a link. You click on that link, and it gives you 3
Yeah, there.
And in the chat, I'll show you what you should see. So that's another link, the statistics.byuimath.com/index.
What do you say? Quantitative what?
So go back to the chat.
I
posted a link of where that link takes you.
Oh, there we go.
And then it says Unit 1 file, Unit 2 and 4 file, and Unit 3 file.
Okay.
You want to click on the quantitative descriptive statistics.xlsx.
Okay.
Where you at, Thomas? We lost Thomas.
Why is it being rejected?
Hey, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, my computer was freaking out there for a little bit. Alrighty. So what are we going? Do we have what are you guys thinking for question 13?
14. 3,900. That was the consensus.
No, for question. But what about question 13? Or 12? What about 13?
All right, so 12 is asking for the second number in the five number summary.
13 is asking for the 4th number. So what's going to lie between?
I think it's 550,145.5.
Yeah, 50,145.5. Is that what you said?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah, that's what I have here too. We're gonna, if we get this wrong, what we'll do, guys, is we can, if we get this wrong, we can, go back and see what we did wrong, and we can meet later in this week to try to take the test again for a second attempt. But I say we just.
I'm done with that.
Okay, let's just keep moving forward.
All right,
okay.
So what with 12 is 3,900?
So 12, 3,900, and then 13, we're at 50145.5.
You got to put the 0.5?
Yeah.
Nearest cent.
To the nearest cent. Yeah.
So do you put the information after? Did yours say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or am I supposed to delete that?
I don't know what you're talking about. Mine just says 50145.5.
Oh, you copy and paste. It says on A1, it says paste data below, start in A2.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
All of wrong patient. Copy and paste it in all to A2, and it'll print down the line.
Oh, that's what you're talking about. Okay. Yeah.
I said like start out with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Next 3 questions we're going to answer from this box and whisker chart.
Wait, what was the last one that you guys got? Sorry, I was trying to get the data copied over.
So I think it was 50145.5.
Okay, but we're rounding. So do we keep the 0.5 or are we?
Yes, near cent.
Yeah, round to the
Okay.
Okay. So wait, when the box and whisker is standing up like this, is the bottom 0? Yeah, it is, obviously. Okay. So what is the 3rd quartile of the red box decisions? 3rd quartile is just under 200. So I would say 280 or 180.
About 180, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Approximately.
180.
What is the longest observed time?
So you guys are saying 180?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's just under 200.
Yeah, it's right around
line
there.
shade under.
Okay, what is the longest? Man, I really
7.
I missed the multiple choice. I don't know about you guys. Okay, what is the longest observed time red box customers in the study?
710.
720. I'm leaning towards 720. What do you think? Either or. I think either way we're right. Okay, 720.
Is that whole numbers, or you got to put the parentheses in between?
Parentheses in between what?
I mean the colon between the time.
No, I'm not sure. I don't think so. I'm just putting 180, just the number, and then 70 times seconds. Okay.
And then are we on number 16?
Based on the box plot, what is the value? What is the value of the mean?
105.
I don't think this can be determined.
Why do you say that?
Because there's the mean, that middle thing is the median. It's not the mean.
Oh, you're right. I wasn't thinking.
All in favor, all opposed?
I'm in favor of this.
We have a couple of numbers there. I probably could figure it out, but yeah, I'll go with cannot be determined.
Okay.
Can I regress to 15 one more time? So the answer on 15 was 720.
720 or 710, whatever you feel like.
Yeah.
Between there.
15, 720.
And then 16 is this cannot be
determined.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Are we submitting?
I'm submitting. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, submitting.
How do we do?
I don't know. I haven't seen
18
it
out of 18. 100%.
Hey.
100%.
Way to go, guys.
We're good.
I don't know how that works though.
Oh. Yeah, so if you guys have any other questions, you guys can feel free to text me or call me. I feel like I got a pretty good understanding about this, but I looked a little bit, I took a peek about next lesson, and it looks like it could be a little tough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure any questions I have, I'm going to write them down. So when we meet next Monday, I'll be ready for you guys. But other than that,
well,
yeah.
Do you want to run any questions through the instructor tomorrow, or?
Do you guys have any questions? I don't.
I don't.
Okay. No, I don't have any questions. But you were saying that you're reading week 3. We got lesson 4 and 5 on week 3, right?
Yeah. So week 3 we got 4 and 5. And I was looking through it, and I haven't looked at any of the videos yet, but I'm sure those are going to clarify things. Those videos help a lot. So I'm going to look at those, and any questions I have, I'm going to write them down and go to you guys or go to the instructor and see what we can do. I hope you guys do the same. It's nice to meet all you guys. Good job.
Likewise. And make sure you're gonna upload this to both week 1 and week 2, right? Lesson 1 and lesson 2.
Yeah, it's got to go on.
I'm sorry, lesson 2 and 3. I'm sorry.
Meetings. We had the one.
Yeah.
So you got to upload the same video to both.
Yeah. So what I think I'll do next time, because I'm not sure if we were supposed to do 2 separate videos, maybe next time.
No. We can.
No. He said we didn't have to have 2 separate videos. He said we could just be the one. So just
one video uploaded twice.
Okay, great. I'll just do that then. Alrighty. Nice to meet you guys.
Thanks, guys. Thanks.
Stop the podcast. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye.